Almost every Honda owner believes they know their car completely, but the reality is shocking. According to automotive surveys, nearly 90% of drivers never fully learn the advanced systems hidden inside their own vehicle. Honda engineers quietly pack their cars with intelligent features designed to improve fuel economy, extend engine life, reduce driver fatigue, and even prevent expensive repairs. Yet most people either misuse these systems or never touch them at all. In this video, you are going to discover 11 hidden Honda features that 99% of drivers don't know about, along with the exact professional methods to use them correctly. Feature number 1 is something almost no one even knows exists. Let's get started. Number 11. Econ mode. Almost every modern Honda comes with an Econ button, but most Honda drivers misunderstood it as a set-it-and-forget-it fuel-saving feature. But real-world data tells a very different story. Studies in eco-driving programs show that Econ mode can improve fuel efficiency by 5% to 15% under stable conditions, but only when used correctly. It works by softening throttle response, adjusting transmission shift points, and reducing AC compressor load. However, when drivers leave Econ mode on during city driving, uphill climbs, or overtaking situations, the engine is forced to operate under restricted power conditions. This creates a situation where the engine works harder to compensate, leading to higher fuel consumption and increased heat buildup. Over time, this can even stress components like the CVT transmission and throttle body. Professional drivers and mechanics use Econ mode strategically, not permanently. They activate it only during stable cruising and turn it off when quick acceleration or load is needed. Number 10. Brake hold. Brake hold is one of Honda's smartest features, yet statistics suggest that nearly 70% of drivers either ignore it or use it incorrectly, missing out on both comfort and mechanical benefits. This system is designed to maintain brake pressure after the vehicle comes to a complete stop that allows the driver to remove their foot from the brake pedal. But the real advantage goes beyond convenience. When used properly, brake hold can reduce micro-movements in traffic, which are a major cause of brake pad wear. Research shows that frequent stop-and-go driving can increase brake wear by up to 30%, especially in urban conditions. The professional technique involves applying smooth and consistent pressure until the system fully engages, rather than stabbing or releasing the brake abruptly. This ensures stable activation and prevents jerky transitions. Over time, correct usage not only reduces driver fatigue, but also extends the lifespan of brake components and save money on maintenance. Number 9. Auto start-stop system. Many drivers hate Honda's auto start-stop system and try to disable it. But here is something most people don't realize. This system is engineered to reduce fuel consumption by up to 8% in urban driving, but only if used properly. However, the problem lies in how drivers interact with it. Many drivers unintentionally trigger repeated start-stop cycles by applying inconsistent brake pressure, which causes the engine to restart multiple times within seconds. This creates unnecessary strain on components like the starter motor and battery, which are designed for durability but not constant abuse. Professional drivers understand how to control the system by applying firm brake pressure only when they intend to stop for longer durations. They also avoid activating it during cold starts or when the air conditioning load is high, as this forces the engine to work harder upon restart. When used correctly, auto start-stop is not just a fuel-saving feature. It becomes a controlled system that balances efficiency with long-term reliability. Number 8. CVT transmission. S mode. Most Honda drivers never touch the S mode on their gear selector, thinking it's just for sport driving. But that's only half the story. S mode actually changes gear ratios, throttle mapping, and engine braking behavior, making it extremely useful in situations like downhill driving or overtaking. Data from driving tests shows that using engine braking through modes like S can reduce brake usage by up to 20% on downhill roads, which significantly lowers the risk of brake overheating. Most drivers ignore this feature completely and rely solely on their brakes even in situations where engine braking would be far more efficient. Professional drivers treat S mode as a control tool, not just a performance feature. For example, when descending steep slopes or preparing for overtakes, switching to S mode provides immediate responsiveness and stability. This reduces stress on braking systems and enhances driving precision. Once you start using it correctly, you will notice a huge improvement in driving confidence and vehicle control. Number 7. Magic Seats. Honda's Magic Seats are one of the smartest interior designs ever created, but most owners only use them occasionally. Professional Honda users maximize this feature constantly. The seats can fold into multiple configurations, including tall mode, utility mode, and long mode that allow surprisingly large cargo to fit inside compact vehicles. Automotive reviewers have praised this design for years because it gives small Hondas SUV-level practicality without the higher fuel costs. Experienced drivers know exactly which seating configuration works best for bicycles, TVs, furniture, plants, or long cargo items. Proper cargo positioning also improves weight distribution and handling stability. Many people spend thousands upgrading to larger SUVs without realizing their Honda already has one of the most versatile cabin systems in the entire industry. Number 6. Hidden key fob tricks. Most Honda owners use their key fob for basic locking and unlocking, but in reality, it's a multifunctional control system designed to enhance convenience and protect the vehicle. For instance, holding the unlock button can remotely lower all windows, which can reduce interior temperature by several degrees within seconds, especially useful in hot climates where cabin temperatures can exceed 60 degrees Celsius. Similarly, certain models allow window closing or mirror folding through the lock button, adding an extra layer of protection. Another overlooked feature is the emergency start capability when the key fob battery dies. By placing the fob near the start button, the car can still detect the chip and start normally. Surveys indicate that over 60% of drivers are unaware of this backup function, often leading to unnecessary panic or towing situations. These hidden features are rarely explained during purchase, yet they offer significant real-world benefits when understood and used correctly. Number 5. ECU relearn. This is one of the most powerful hidden tricks that almost no regular driver knows. Your Honda's ECU constantly adapts to your driving style, fuel quality, and environment conditions. Over time, this adaptive behavior can lead to reduced performance, sluggish throttle response, and inconsistent shifting. Automotive diagnostics data shows that ECU adaptation drift can reduce perceived performance efficiency by up to 10% over extended periods. This is why dealership technicians often perform ECU resets after servicing, but this process is rarely shared with customers. By resetting the ECU and allowing it to relearn from fresh data, the vehicle can recalibrate its performance parameters. However, the key lies in the relearning phase. Professional drivers maintain smooth and consistent driving patterns for the first 50 to 100 kilometers after a reset that allows the system to optimize itself correctly. When done properly, this process can restore responsiveness, improve fuel efficiency, and make the car feel noticeably smoother. Number 4. Hill Start Assist. Hill Start Assist is designed to prevent rollback on inclines, but most drivers misunderstand its timing and limitations. The system typically holds brake pressure for about 2 to 3 seconds, giving the driver time to transition from brake to accelerator. However, hesitation beyond this window can result in sudden rollback, which can be both unsafe and stressful. Professional drivers treat this feature as a support system rather than a dependency. The correct technique involves a smooth and confident transition between pedals within the system's hold duration. This minimizes drivetrain shock and ensures a seamless launch. Improper use, on the other hand, can lead to unnecessary strain on transmission components, especially in automatic and CVT vehicles. When mastered, Hill Start Assist not only improves safety, but also enhances driving confidence in challenging conditions like steep urban roads or heavy traffic scenarios. Number 3. Maintenance Minder. Most Honda owners ignore the maintenance minder system and rely only on generic oil change stickers. That's a massive mistake. Honda's maintenance minder is actually an intelligent monitoring system that tracks engine temperature, trip length, driving style, RPM usage, and load conditions to determine service timing. Short trips, aggressive acceleration, heavy traffic, and hot weather all degrade oil faster than steady highway cruising. Mechanics say poor maintenance habits are one of the biggest reasons modern engines and CVTs fail early. Therefore, professional Honda owners trust the maintenance minder because it adapts to real-world conditions instead of using outdated one-size-fits-all intervals. Following this system correctly can dramatically extend engine life, improve fuel economy, and prevent expensive repairs. Number 2. Electric parking brake, auto mode. Honda's electronic parking brake does more than replace the manual lever. When used correctly, especially in automatic transmissions, it reduces stress on the transmission parking pawl. Many drivers shift directly into park on inclines without applying the parking brake first. This forces the entire vehicle weight onto a small metal pawl inside the transmission. Over time, this can cause harsh clunk sounds when shifting out of park. Professional technique is simple but rarely practiced. While holding the foot brake, engage the parking brake first, then shift to park. This transfers weight to the braking system instead of the transmission. This tiny habit can significantly extend transmission life, especially in CVT-equipped Hondas, where smooth operation is critical. Number 1. Hidden diagnostic menu. Almost 99% of Honda owners have no idea their vehicle contains a hidden diagnostic menu built directly into the infotainment system. This secret menu is normally used by technicians to check vehicle data, test electronics, monitor battery voltage, inspect camera systems, and troubleshoot software problems. Professional Honda drivers use this hidden feature to catch small problems before they become expensive repairs. For example, low voltage readings inside the diagnostic menu can warn you about a weak battery long before the car refuses to start. Now, here is how professional Honda drivers usually access the hidden diagnostic menu. The exact method can vary slightly depending on the Honda model and infotainment generation, but in many Hondas, first you need to turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Then, press and hold certain combinations such as the menu, power, and brightness buttons together for several seconds. On some models, holding the home button while rapidly pressing the power button multiple times can also open hidden service screens. Once inside, professional users carefully navigate through system information pages instead of randomly pressing unknown options. Used professionally, Honda's hidden diagnostic menu becomes one of the smartest tools for understanding and maintaining your vehicle. So now I want to ask you, which of these hidden Honda features surprised you the most? And are you using them correctly? Or have you been using them the wrong way for years without realizing it? Let me know down in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.